minerals, which we have understood in our chemistry. The idea about give and take of electrons. Yes or no? We have read this, right? Or forgotten? Forgotten or read? Knowing, na? The electrons have first ring, second ring, third ring, 2, 8, 8 is the requirement. They cannot have one more or they cannot have one less. If they become one more or one less, they become unstable. And therefore, they have to take it from somewhere in order to become stable. So, the idea is, am I stable or am I unstable? Am I secured or am I insecure? Right? That is the main theme of the mineral world. Then you read calcareous, then you read